Windows user tips number 15. This came to me as a question for a computer user moving from one computer to another. Logged in on the old computer with a Google Chrome account, logged in with a new computer with a Google Chrome account. The settings did not carry over. So here I have my computer number 2 logged in with my Google Chrome account and my computer number 3 over here with also my Google Chrome account coming back to computer number 2. These two are, well, my account is set up to synchronize. So come up here to the Google Chrome icon, not this one. This is a Gmail. This up here is the Google Chrome profile. Come down here to see that sync is on. Come over to my computer number 3, come up here to the profile icon and see that sync is on. So what this means is, let me come over here, for instance, this DougBetts Imposter, the Facebook video that I did previously. I'll just move that over here and then switch back to my computer number 2, and you just saw that pop over. So when I make a change on either computer, that change is reflected on the other computer. Now come over here to sync is on. When I click on this, I see what items are going to be synced, because we may not be syncing everything. So sync might be turned off. If it's turned off, I'll just click on that. And because this account is managed by DougBetts.com, your bookmarks, history, passwords, and other settings will be cleared from this device. However, your data will remain stored in your Google account and can be managed on Google. So if I clear all the settings from this computer, then I basically have a blank slate, even though I'm still logged in with my Google account. So sync in Google services. If I click on that, we got an option here for manage what you sync. I'll click on that. And then here we can choose all of these individual items. So we're syncing apps, bookmarks, extensions, history, settings, theme, reading lists, open tabs, passwords, addresses, and more. Payment methods. Okay, so then that is set on sync everything. If I choose customize sync, then I can pick and choose which ones I want to do. What if I just click on one of these? Does that change to custom? No, it doesn't. Okay, going back. So perhaps going from an old computer to a new computer, what if you are suspicious about things that are wrong on the old computer? You don't want everything brought forward. So you could turn some of those items off. What if you only want to bring the bookmarks over? So in that case, we can come up here to the kebab menu, the 3 vertical dots, and come down here to bookmarks and choose bookmark manager, and then come to here the 3-dot kebab menu and choose export bookmarks. So then you're going to put in a file name and then use any method you choose to copy that file to the new computer, and then reverse that procedure by clicking on the 3-dot menu on the other computer and import the bookmarks. Similar thing with passwords. Let's come into the 3-dot menu, go to settings, and then come here to passwords. And then it's that's right. View and manage saved passwords in your Google account. They're not actually residing here in Google Chrome. So go to your Google account and then the settings button, the settings gear here, password options, and export passwords right here. So click on the export, and then it's going to want you to do a fresh sign in for your account to verify who you are. And here it is downloaded down here. So then copy that file to the new computer, reverse the procedure by coming into this screen and choose import. Select file, and then you would select the file. And that'll import those passwords. Let's suppose that you want to create this as a separate Google account and you don't want to use the same email address. So coming over here to my computer number 2 and up to the profile icon. So I'm going to add another person to Google Chrome on this computer. And I'm going to call this Doug@Yahoo. I could put in personal last name or whatever I want to do, because I'm going to use a Yahoo email address to do this. Create a shortcut desktop icon. This is going to actually create an icon on the desktop that when I launch that, it launches Google Chrome with this profile. So I could have multiple icons on the desktop, each with its own Google Chrome profile that it's launching. Clicking done there. And then already a Chrome user, no, not under this account. So I'm going to click get started. So then if I go next, I get to choose a background. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one just so that it looks different and we can recognize which is which. So then your Chrome everywhere. I could enter no thanks to where I'm not actually associating this with any email address. But I want to do that for demonstration. I'm going to click continue and then put in the other email address. So it's DougBettsPilot@yahoo.com. I never check that email address unless I'm actually trying to do something where I used it, and click next for that. And now it wants the password for that Yahoo email account because it's going to try to show me that email in the Gmail interface. So I'm putting in the Yahoo password for it. It's not very long, but it is kind of weird and complex. And then this device isn't recognized for your security. Google wants to make sure it's really you. Get a verification code. So it's going to send a verification code to me. And it already has my phone number because that's already programmed into Google Chrome on this computer. So I'm going to say text, verification code. Turn on sync. So if I turn on sync, that's going to sync whatever I do on this computer to the Google account that uses my Yahoo email address. So if I go to another computer and sign in to a Google account, Google Chrome, using that same email address, then this is going to synchronize those settings. So I'm going to say yes, I'm in. And so I don't have any of those bookmarks that I had before. And I don't have any of those passwords. So I'm going to come in here to, now let's go look at another way for passwords. If I click on the profile icon, there's this icon right here for passwords. It'll take me straight to the passwords page. And then I have to click on Google account to go see the password manager in the Google account. You haven't saved any passwords yet. So I want to come up to this gear icon and import that passwords file. So select file. And then I did save that in the downloads folder on this computer. And there's the Google passwords that I saved from my other profile. I'll click open for that. And then import. And to import passwords to your Google account, select a CSV. I did that, 210 passwords imported. Now notice I did not have to put in the password for that other Google account. So when you do this file export, that's kind of a risky thing because it's just sitting there as a CSV file. Anybody could open it into Excel, and I just imported it into a different profile without having to put in the credentials for my original Google account. So be careful with that. Got to go delete it. So then if I come in here to the kebab menu and go to settings and come down here to passwords, we see all that list of passwords are there, even though I'm in now with a separate account. So that is probably all I want to include for this video. I'll just go to the desktop and show you that icon here is this Doug at Yahoo Chrome. So that would launch with that profile. And up here, I have Doug Chrome. So that would launch Chrome with my original account. So I think that'll do it for now. I hope that was useful. Have a great day. Catch you later. Goodbye.